Let's see it, kiddo. Morgan. There she goes. Come on, kiddo. Get up. Get that head up. Oh, good job. Good job. Can you get your arm out? I know it's tough. There she goes. Hi, sweetie. Oh, good job. Get that arm up. Oh, it's tough. You're doing a good job. Honey, do you need some help? Morgan.